Hello guys, I've got super exciting news today. Peter here, Piotr Fissner. How you doing guys? So, our bookrepair.online.co.uk software have gained an e-wallet. We had it in the past. We are making sure it's everything correct now. And once we will finish the e-wallet, we will be adding the membership. So I would like to show you what the e-wallet is and how each of the customer can benefit from this e-wallet, and then we can talk about the membership, okay, and what we plan to do. So let us switch again back to this screen, and let's switch to the overview. Okay, I see that I don't see everything. So now you see, now I'm on the client, not on the repair here. Yes, so here is a client, it's not a repair. So I'm not a repair manager here, I'm not a repair technician here, yes, I'm not an admin here, I'm just a client. And what client can do is the client can deposit money. We will change it so that customer can deposit any money. For now it's just choice of 10, 20 and 50, but it will be possible to deposit any amount, to be true, and then use these funds to purchase in our store. You see here are the orders. So we've built a shop, and you can use then these funds for our products and services. So if you want to save up, let's say 10 a month, you can deposit 10 here. And at the end of the year, for every 10 saved, you will have 120 at the end of the year. And then when it comes to spending money, you will just come and spend it with your e-wallet current balance rather than with a cash. Yes, so you can save up here in this. Now every repair shop won't have it. It's only repair shops from Inte.Team. So if you are renting from us this software as another electronics repair shop or IT or any other repair shop, then you need to contact us. I can enable each e-wallet individually per each customer, okay? Because not every customer want to participate in what we're doing in general, yes, like everything. So you might be asking, why do we need this e-wallet? Yes, why somebody wants to save the money with us? Well, first and foremost, we're no financial institution, we're not regulated, but we're working towards a membership. And the membership is just a crowdfunding. Now you might be asking, why you want a crowdfunding? Well, the simple reason is that we all use electronics. Yes, we all use electronics, and we love our electronics. If we don't, we find them useful and we'll just use them, and then we need to fix them. And many companies which are producing electronics are not fair with us. It's pretty much. With PCs, you can change less things, but when it comes to the laptop or when it comes to game consoles or phones on tablets where everything is integrated, these companies can marry components one to another, use unknown components which you can't buy anywhere, and do many things even on the firmware side, on the software side. Yes, firmware, software. They can manipulate those devices, and unfortunately we like our mobile solutions or miniature solutions. I love computer, yes, because here everything is open and you can for real fix the graphics card if you've got the graphics card, if you can fix motherboard, and it's more difficult for the manufacturers to do dodgy things with it. But people prefer laptops over desktops nowadays, yes, and so on. So we would like to make the market just a slightly bit fairer than it is. We would like to have the best possible quality devices, least fixable. And you might be saying, and that would be a good question, if we will produce such good quality, yes, will we not have less work? And the answer to this question is yes, we will. But if we as a society know as per government statistics, that we are wasting thousands of tons of e-waste each and every year in the UK alone, then we should be worried, because these natural resources are not endless. So if we will be crowdfunded, we don't have to sell the most, we need to sell the least to work the least. So our goal will be to build better quality electronics, and every country will have one Inte.Team, and in every country the profits will go towards designing the best possible quality devices and the most fixable the way we can, yes? So if we have to marry the chips, we will, for the security reasons, but you know what? Our technicians will be trained to always fix it for us, yes? To provide the firmware for those customers, yes? If they bought it from us, or if they are renting devices from us, maybe in the future as well. So in that case, we need funding, yes? Crowdfunding. Why crowdfunding and not some investors? Because investors will require more money, whereas if we will crowdfund it, each person of a £1 or £2 per month, then if we will have 1 million members per each country, we will have £1 million to design that particular device, and we won't have to have more money. Then when we produce that device and it's least fixable, and then we've got over income which we can't spend anymore because we already paid our employees, we paid all our costs, then we can use these funds and move it to another device and another device, and we can create all household electronics in the fairer way for you, for me, and for everybody else. And we don't have to be greedy because we're paid anyway. So the best way to do it is through crowdfunding, because we will make sure, yes, together we can make sure that if each and every member is paying £1 or £2 per month towards the crowdfunding, then what we can do is, with 1 million members, we can have £1 million, and it's more than possible for us to achieve it, yes? So that's why we want to add the e-wallet from next year. We thought we can do it as a separated platform, but unfortunately there is tons of coding, and we've got ready bookRepairOnline.co.uk, which every repair shop can use all across the UK. If there would be people interested from abroad, we could redesign it to match addresses and payments and everything for those countries, or translate it to other languages. But for now it's only for the UK here, yes? And so because this is ready, we can now add the membership to it. It's already e-wallet, it's working. Now it will be a bit changed, yes? So if I will enable for someone e-wallet, I will explain that we are in the beta version of the e-wallet, and now we will be working towards the final version of the e-wallet, and then we will add the membership, yes? Phew, that's it. How long? Less than 10 minutes. That's good, that's good. So to sum up, we've got a robust platform which we always develop further and further. It's an awesome platform with invoicing, with card payments, with booking, with managing all the bookings, plenty of statuses, with managing employees or technicians or apprentices or contractors, whoever you've got over there, with a shop, with your own inventory as well, and with forum built-in, with chat built-in. You know, this platform is the best in the UK for this type of business, for any repairs out there. I only use this platform and Google Calendar, yes? That's all I use, nothing else. So guys, maybe in the future we will even add the calendar, yes? But for now we don't see a need, like urgent need, to have the calendar, because you can use Google Calendar simultaneously with it, and that will, you know, that will be okay, because I'm using, and we've got several repairs per day, yes? So if we can do it, you can do it as well. Yeah, so I don't see a point of coding the calendar now. Our team is occupied anyway. And once we will finish book repair and we will have profits, then yes, we can spend these profits to pay people who introduced book repair, who've coded this, yes? And we can pay them to code Inte.Team, the membership, finish that software off, yes? But that's when we will be launching LTD. not on my self-employment here. So the e-wallet and membership, we will start off my self-employment, and we will be working towards having the Inte.Team website and as an LTD, that one as a membership. Yes, so that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you. Hopefully you're as excited as I am about it. Guys, 10 minutes, so let's finish the video to not drag it too long. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.